Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Keepsolid account and grabbing the DNS IPs and any API token. Once done, choose whether you'll use the app or set DNS manually on the router. Manual gives network-wide coverage. Make the first change now. Replace your device or router's DNS entries with Keepsolid primary then secondary IPs. If you use IP6, add those as well. Save settings and reboot the device or restart the interface, so the new DNS assignment takes effect immediately. Once your devices point to Keepsolid, open the client or dashboard to set filtering and security. You'll want to enable DNS over TLS or DNS over HTTPS for encryption. Then pick or customize a filtering profile that blocks ads, trackers, or malicious domains. Add any custom allow lists or block lists, and set TTL and logging preferences so you can audit queries. Make sure router DHCP won't hand out old DNS addresses. Lock settings or configure DHCP to push. You're almost done. Verify functionality by running nslookup or dig against the Keepsolid server and visiting known blocked sites to confirm filtering works. If results still show your ISP DNS, flush client DNS caches, and reboot the router or device. Make sure encryption is active by checking port and protocol in the client. If something fails, capture a sample failing query from the Keepsolid logs. That single trace usually reveals whether the issue is an incorrect IP, DHCP override, or missing do T/do H setting. Then fix and retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.